guys, it's Mike and Susan.
Hi.
Here's Susan.
Hi.
Yeah, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. We're driving up Whitewater Canyon right now to see how bad things are. Cross a little mud flow there, not too bad. I know we've already gotten over 3 inches of rain so far. I think that's like a total for the year has already been maxed.
The 3.15 inches of rain was as of 10:58 this morning, and they're expecting another 2 at least here in Whitewater.
Okay, yeah, it looks like we can't go too far. It looks like they've got the road closed. Okay, well, the road is closed, so we will not be going any farther than this. We got the Rangers coming across right now. Let's see if we can. Yeah,
Look at that.
We won't be crossing that.
Yeah, it looks like they're evacuating.
Yeah, we definitely won't be crossing that. Yeah, it's a little rainy out, guys, but just wanted you to see this. It's pretty bad. I haven't seen this crossing this bad in a long time. As you can see, it's eating the road. Not going to be getting to Whitewater today. Remember, follow the rules. It says road closed, don't cross it. Oh, look at the Whitewater River. Okay, guys, I'm out here by the bridge. As you can see, Whitewater River is definitely a river. It is really bad. Sorry for my hand. I'm just keeping the... Not gonna walk out on the bridge. But check it out, guys. Whitewater River. Never like this. Mud, debris, pine trees, lots coming down the river. Really bad. Really surprised that they don't have this blocked off. But as you can tell, guys, it is definitely well, I don't know what happened there. Yeah, it's definitely coming down pretty good right now. We're gonna get back on the can. Hey guys, Mike again. This is the canal that we have here in Whitewater, and we've been here 18 years. I've never seen it with water in it. first time that we've ever seen water in this canal.